Welcome, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about $100,000 Bitcoin. Imagine that for a second. I don't know if you own any Bitcoin right now, but today's price of Bitcoin is in the ballpark of $9,200. For it to go to $100,000 for one Bitcoin, that means the price will increase 10 times its current price. That's a tenfold increase. So is that a fantasy or is that a realistic proposition? We're going to dig into that a little bit deeper today. So I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say and do your own research. So we're looking at an article from the Daily Hodl. And in this article, they say a crypto analyst calls for 991% Bitcoin boom conservative. In other words, he thinks that Bitcoin going to $10,000 is a conservative evaluation. He also forecasts future of XRP, Litecoin, Dash, Zcash, and Monero. And those are going to be significantly better. So the founder of Albright Investment Group, AIG, says Bitcoin is currently consolidating and setting up for a move into a much higher price range. In a piece on Seeking Alpha, Viktor Durganov says Bitcoin could easily skyrocket in value by nearly 991% from its current price of $9,158. The important factor is that we are only about 10 months into the latest wave, and this could be akin to something like a second inning for a very long ball game. In other words, Bitcoin is likely to go much higher before this multi-year wave is over. I've mentioned in prior articles why the current wave is likely to last several years and could drive Bitcoin's price up to roughly $76,000 to $100,000 before the next bear market arrives. Conservatively speaking, Bitcoin could be trading between $50,000 and $100,000 within the next 2 to 5 years. Durganov, who is known for his bullish BTC predictions, points to China's increasing friendliness towards crypto as one of the reasons for his optimism. So the whole China's increasing friendliness towards crypto is something that's happened just in the last week and a half, right in that ballpark. About a week and a couple of days ago, China came out and the president of China said that we're going to be supportive of blockchain. They're passing laws that are blockchain friendly, requesting that companies start embracing it and that people start developing blockchain applications, et cetera, along with the announcements of China's central bank has declared that they're going to be releasing their own cryptocurrency very soon. In fact, the date is predicated upon Alibaba and several other online merchants, Chinese online merchants, actually getting set up to accept the Chinese cryptocurrency. And once those infrastructures are built so that Chinese online merchants can accept the Chinese cryptocurrency, then according to what they've said, that's about the time when the Chinese central bank's cryptocurrency will go live. The AIG founder also predicted bullish futures for a number of altcoins, including Litecoin, Dash, Zcash, and Monero. He says XRP's price in particular could explode much higher in the future if it's increasingly adopted by financial institutions. So XRP in particular is a cryptocurrency whose focus is on being used to transfer money from country A to country B. They already have somewhere, and I don't quote me because I don't remember the exact number, but XRP has like 600 or 1,000 different agreements with banks all over the world in order to be transferring money. They also have been set up with MoneyGram, and MoneyGram has about a month ago or 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, somewhere in that ballpark, MoneyGram announced that their back-end system is using XRP in order to transfer money from country to country. So if you go to MoneyGram and you give them $100 that you want to send to another country, that transfer of funds is most likely going to go through XRP, a cryptocurrency. So all of that, it's everything is getting very, very interesting, and we're starting to see things increase in their velocity. So do I think this 991% Bitcoin boom is conservative? I do. And my time frame for expecting it to hit the $100,000 price range, I'm a little bit more aggressive in my opinion on it. I think we're going to see it sooner than the 2 to 5 year time period that he mentioned right here. He talks about that the 50 to 100K price will happen in the next 2 to 5 years. I think we're going to see it in a little bit less than that time frame. I think we're going to see the $100,000 price fairly rapidly, but that's something that time will tell, and that's something that I could easily be wrong in. That's why, as always, I recommend that you do not trust what I say, and that you should always do your own research, because you're going to come to a different conclusion that I've come to, and your conclusion may be more accurate than mine. And so we're all going to have a little bit of a difference of opinion, and until it's written in the history books, who knows how it's actually going to go. My big question for you is, how can I be of service to you? What can I do to help you with your cryptocurrency journey? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your questions, your thoughts, your comments, your polite disagreements, because through polite disagreements, we both can learn, and as we both learn, we both will grow smarter together. So I would love to grow smarter together with you. In the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic day.